Let's begin pineapple shorba. Little bit of oil, crushed garlic, few curry leaves, finely chopped tomatoes, grated pineapple, little tamarind. It depends on the pineapple which you use, green chillies, and lot of chopped coriander. Now I'm going to put some salt, some pepper, that is according to your taste. I want to saute this for some time. I'm going to add in little bit of turmeric. I'm going to pour in the water. I'll cover this and cook for a couple of minutes. Now this is boiling for 4 minutes. I shall turn off the flame. As shorba, I want to strain this. Since I'm serving this as shorba, I'm straining this. I'm going to season this now. Little bit of oil. When it is hot, I'm going to add in some jeera. I have saved and kept aside some grated pineapple. Now I'm going to add in that and put this into the shorba. Shorba is ready to have. For more healthy soups, subscribe SBL Foods.